Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to hide a taskbar in Windows 11. If your taskbar is always popping up, I'll show you how to exact way to hide your taskbar. First of all, right click on the Windows screen on your desktop and you will see the option called Personalize. Click on it. Then the setting will open. Then scroll below and you will see an option called taskbar. Simply click on that. Then here you will see the taskbar settings. Now to hide the taskbar you will see option named as taskbar behaviors. After going here, as you can see, my automatically hide the taskbar is on. Now if you uncheck this it will turn on, and if you click this it will be hide. To show this you need to hover your mouse over here to show the taskbar. If you turn it off, the taskbar will automatically come. Now you can simply hide the taskbar like this. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.